and it's right underneath a tree, so I figure it's clogged and not broken underground. We're gonna know in a second. What do we got? Is it gonna drain? Yep, it's gonna drain. Just gotta open it up. Just gotta get it open there. It's really packed on with a lot of pressure. It's gonna start draining faster now. Just gotta get this thing. It's better off using my feet. That rake's not really helping with all the massive pressure. I gotta get the curb slot, and the rake can't get into the curb slot. That's what's really jammed. There we go. Now that the curb slot's open, some jobs your feet are just a lot better. Oh, look at those big bubbles. Plump.